Hello. So, what is a stock exchange? A stock exchange is like a big marketplace, ఒక షాప్ లాగా where buying and selling happens. So, a stock exchange is like a big marketplace where people buy and sell shares. What is a share? A small piece of a company. Okay, a part of the company. So, a stock exchange is like a big marketplace where people buy and sell the shares. It can be run by a company or a group of people who are registered under the Companies Act. The stock exchange must get special permission to ఇప్పుడు ఒక షాప్ టు రన్ ఎనీ షాప్ యూ నీడ్ లైసెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గవర్నమెంట్. అట్లాగే స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ మస్ట్ గెట్ స్పెషల్ పర్మిషన్ లైసెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ టు వర్క్ well or to work legally. The government checks the exchange has fair rules to protect the buyers and sellers. If the exchange breaks the rules, the government can cancel its license, just like you open a shop for buying and selling, and if you cheat someone, or if you break any rules, if you do something illegal, your parents can make you close the shop if you cheat somebody. So just like that, the government, it checks whether your stock exchange has fair rules to protect all the buyers and sellers in it. If the stock exchange breaks the rules, the government can cancel its license. Now, what is a share? Shares ante enti? Shares are tiny parts of a company which you can buy or sell in the stock market. So, owning shares means you own a small part of the company and may get a say in decisions and share the profits. Inkokati, what is demutualization? This means changing the ownership of the exchange from members, traders owning it together, to a company owned by separate shareholders. Compare it with you open a shop with all your friends, which on a later date you turn it into a company, kind of. Just take example ki, that is demutualization. So this helps make the exchange more transparent and more fair. Then market operations. So stock exchanges market have rules to make sure buying and selling shares is fair for all the buyers and sellers. It is fair for everyone. They protect investors from cheating and unfair practices. Then government licensing and oversight. The government checks if the stock exchange rules are fair before giving the license. The government and Security Exchange Board of India watch over the exchange to keep the market from doing anything illegal or unethical, to keep the market honest. Then corporate governance. Stock exchanges have managers in the corporate and officials who run the day-to-day business of the stock exchange. After demutualization, the ownership and trading are separated to avoid conflicts of interest. First you are only a group of friends, tarvata you become owners, and there are many outsiders who have a share in your company anamata. There is a separation of ownership and trading. So that is demutualization, which I already explained. And investor protection. See, we have rules in the stock exchange which are made to protect people who invest money by buying shares. This helps prevent fraud and keeps the market trustworthy. Then how do you maintain the stock market integrity? The fairness and honesty of the stock market are maintained by regulations and enforcement by SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, and the government. Example of some recognized stock exchanges in India: Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, which is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. National Stock Exchange, NSE, India's biggest and mostly electronic stock exchange. Calcutta Stock Exchange, CSE, one of the oldest in Eastern India. Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India, MSCI. It trades shares, commodities, and currencies. And India International Exchange, India INX, which is India's first international exchange located in Gift City. So I hope it is clear. And the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956, SCRA 1956, it provides the legal framework for recognition and regulation of all the stock exchanges in India. And SEBI is the regulatory authority overseeing their operations and ensuring fair practices. What is SEBI? Security Exchange Board of India. And one more, each country's stock exchange and securities markets operate under their respective national laws and their own regulatory bodies. Like in USA, Securities and Exchange Commission; in India, SEBI; in United Kingdom, FCA, Financial Conduct Authority; in Australia, Australian Securities and Investment Commission. So each country's stock exchanges and securities markets operate under their own respective national laws and regulatory bodies.